Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, guys, after that episode of Real Housewives of Durban, something told me that you know what, go and check Minnie's profile. Let me see what she really is up to because I'm not a fan, but because she's such a bully, I don't like this girl. And when I got there, I once checked her out, I think once before all of these things came on, and she had like 40 something thousand followers, and I can see that her followers are starting to decrease, which is really a good thing because I don't believe people like have to like support bullies, and openly so, you understand. So I think it's a good thing that she's losing followers. And I also noticed that she locked her profile is now private. What was she thinking coming for Ulundi like that? Insulting her like that. She makes too much noise because she once said to Ulundi that she can't take the heat that she gives. So why are you locking your profile, sis? Open your profile. Open your profile. Let us see you working on your feet. Why are you locking your profile? What's happening? Now you are the one that's afraid of the heat that you give. Patung. And besides that, we don't support bullying from other sides. But if you come for Lundi, Shem, one thing about Lundi you should know, Lundi has a huge fan base. Ulundi has a huge fan base, and and her followers will fight for her. Her fans will fight for Ulundi. You can ask that other girl who once came to Real Housewives of Durban, who was like, hey, your man left you. You could have been driving ingi. I'm not like you. We fought for her. Now it was time to show you our talent. Papa, when I don't like this girl, guys. I know I'm just a reporter, but I'm really passionate about this. I don't like how they're coming for Ulundi London. It's uncalled off. Open that profile and take the heat that you're giving.